Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the right account permissions and that the video file you want is not in use. Open the recycle bin from the desktop or File Explorer now and pause for a quick scan of file names and dates to identify the target. Once done, make sure sorting is by deleted date or name to narrow candidates. If there are many items, use the search box with part of the file name or video extension to filter results quickly. Now locate the exact video by searching for the file name or using extensions like MP4, MOV, or AVI. That saves time when bins are large. Once you find candidates, right-click to preview or open properties to verify size and original path because a tiny file could be corrupt. After confirming, select the single file or multiple files you need. Then choose Restore to return them to their original folder. This preserves folder structure and timestamps for easier recovery. Click Restore and then immediately navigate to the original folder or use system search to confirm the file is back where expected. This verifies success and prevents accidental duplicates. If you cannot find it, make sure you're signed into the same user account because Recycle Bin is account-specific, and check cloud or external backups. If Restore fails or file is corrupted, try a reputable file recovery tool or shadow copies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.